I can hook it.
Welcome to the next episode of Aussie Shed Talk. We're out here at Selbra's car event at Archer Falls.
Dirt drags!
Dirt drags. As you can see, we've finally got the FJ out here.
It's here.
And yeah, it's been a good day so far.
That's it.
Lots more to come.
It's been a big week, hey mate?
It's been a big week getting it ready.
After hours.
Which you'll see in the episodes before this.
Absolutely.
But yeah, we're out here with some pretty cool cars.
That's it.
And,
no more FJs though. There's only one.
Yeah.
That's the Rat.
The Rat, yeah. But yeah, everyone's out here getting dirty.
We've got our mates out here, and yeah, we're all signed up, ready to go for a drive and passenger runs and whatnot. So,
lots of
let's go have some fun.
Lots of bands.
Yeah, we've got lots of bands.
But yeah, go out and create some dust.
All right, mate.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Ready, mate? Ready.
Alright, here we go. First drag on the FJ.
How you going? Good, yeah? Well, I am about to find out. Yeah.
Aussie Shed Talk for life.
I'm about to test the brakes. How's your day been, mate?
It's been good, mate.
I win it in a raffle somewhere smart like that.
Been a good day out here. She's bloody hot, but it's been really good. Awesome turnout, heaps of cars. Clay, how's the FJ going?
FJ's going good. Gets a little hot, but that's to be expected.
Yep, that is to be expected.
Debut run, mate.
Debut run's pretty impressive for first run. Yeah, we're about to go back out on track and yeah, see how the old girl goes.
Yeah.
Just putting my blanket on.
Oh, he's putting his blanket on.
Just getting ready to roll it up.
Oh, yeah.
Went to the toilet this morning to get changed, and the only one available was that window. Yeah. So
Morning.
I went
Oh, morning, mate.
What's
going on?
Hey, you rise and shine.
Bloody beautiful view to wake up to, eh?
Yeah. I was actually quite lucky then. There was no one in the toilet.
So, mate, good weekend.
It was.
Was?
It was.
The FJ went well.
Yeah, the FJ went well. First run. Couple
Yeah.
squeaks, but we'll sort them out.
No,
She's in one piece.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the main thing.
Well, it's funny because we brought a jack and jack stands, and it turns out everyone else used them. We didn't have to use them,
Yeah.
which is always good. And as you can see, it's a pretty beautiful spot. Like, bloody scenery is amazing.
But we've had a good weekend, haven't we?
It's been an awesome weekend. Had a good camp last night. Cooked up some snags and everything. And
The old camp banter, mate.
camp banter. Yeah. Bit of live music in the
Tell
background.
all our viewers how that went.
They're bloody great. Bloody great. No, but we hope you enjoyed all the footage from this weekend. We had a ball making it.
Absolutely.
And there's some good episodes coming up. We flew to
We're off to
Melbourne
nationals.
next weekend. And yeah, that'll be a good episode for you guys too. So we hope to see any of you Victorian viewers down there. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next episode.
Absolutely. Thanks, guys.